In the world of technology, where portability and protection go hand in hand, MacBook Air has become a popular choice for professionals, students, and creatives alike. Known for its sleek design and powerful performance, the MacBook Air offers a delightful computing experience. However, such a valuable device deserves adequate safeguarding, making the need for MacBook Air 15-inch sleeves essential. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Londo. The Londo top-grain leather MacBook bag laptop sleeve is a stylish and practical accessory for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air owners. Crafted from high-quality top-grain leather, this sleeve exudes sophistication and durability. It is designed to fit various MacBook models, including the 16-inch, 15-inch, and 15.5-inch sizes, spanning from the M2, Pro 2 Max, and Mo models released in 2020. The sleeve provides excellent protection for your laptop, keeping it safe from scratches, bumps, and minor impacts. The interior is lined with a soft material that prevents any potential damage to the laptop's surface. Number 4. Heil. Crafted with high-quality materials, this sleeve offers exceptional water resistance and durability, ensuring your device remains safe from accidental spills or light rain showers. The sleek navy blue color adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, making it suitable for both professional and casual use. With its precise fit, it is compatible with popular laptop models such as MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and various notebook computers. The interior padding provides excellent shock absorption, safeguarding your laptop against bumps and scratches during transportation. Whether you're a student, professional, or frequent traveler, the Heil laptop sleeve case is a reliable companion that combines style, protection, and convenience. Number 3. Mossiso. The protective plastic hard shell case offers reliable safeguarding against scratches, dings, and dust, ensuring that your MacBook Air remains in pristine condition. The crystal clear design beautifully showcases the laptop's sleek aesthetics, while the pink accents add a touch of femininity. Additionally, the multifunctional briefcase sleeve bag provides ample storage space for accessories and everyday essentials, with its sturdy construction offering excellent protection during transportation. The included keyboard cover is a thoughtful addition, keeping your keyboard safe from spills and debris. Overall, this Mossiso bundle is a must-have for MacBook Air owners, combining style, practicality, and durability in one attractive package. Number 2. Megagear. The Megagear top-grain leather MacBook bag laptop sleeve is an exceptional accessory for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air users. Crafted from high-quality top-grain leather, this laptop sleeve exudes elegance and sophistication. It offers a perfect fit for various MacBook models, including 16-inch, 15-inch, and 15.5-inch sizes, covering the M2, M2 Pro, M2 Max, and Money versions from 2020 to 2023. The leather material not only adds a touch of luxury, but also provides excellent protection against scratches and bumps. The sleeve's interior is lined with a soft fabric that safeguards your MacBook from potential damage. Its slim and lightweight design allows for easy portability without compromising on security. Number 1. Incarnate. The Incarnate MacBook Air Pro laptop sleeve leather case Incarnate is a stylish and functional accessory for your MacBook, handmade with meticulous attention to detail. This laptop sleeve exudes a premium feel with its high-quality leather construction. The sleek design perfectly complements the MacBook's aesthetics, providing a slim and form-fitting case that ensures protection against scratches and bumps. The spacious interior pocket offers convenient storage for documents or accessories, while the secure zipper closure keeps your laptop securely in place. Compatible with both the latest MacBook Pro 14-inch models and older Pro 13-inch versions, this versatile sleeve is a must-have for any MacBook owner looking to elevate their style while keeping their device safe